Hello everyone. Today we're going to do a hair review of Cheeon hair. I ordered 4 bundles of Cheeon hair on Amazon, and I'm a Prime customer, so I got it in like 2 days. Came really quickly. I literally ordered it exactly 2 days ago. So we're going to unbox it together and see what it's like. I never used this hair before. This will be my first time. And I ordered the I ordered the Peruvian body wave. So let's see what we got. Oh, I ordered a closure as well. Let's see. This is the closure. And the closure is body wave too. The closure is really short. How many inches? I think I ordered 10 inches or 12 inches. Let's see what this is. The lace looks dyed. It's a good shade of brown. As you can see, I'm chocolate brown, and it's dyed a pretty good shade. And the quality of this closure looks pretty good. It doesn't smell, and it's really soft. Let's see how long it is. I got my measuring tape. And let's see. We are going to stretch this. Oh, it's about 12 inches. It looks short, but it's not that short. I'm getting about 13 and a quarter when I stretch it. So I don't know if you can see that. It's pretty long. Overall, I would say it's about 10 inches when it's curled with the wave. See, it stops right up above the 10-inch mark. So this closure is pretty short, but it'll work for the style that I'm trying to get. And this is the actual Cheeon here. It's Cheeon. I'll put the seller in the description box. It comes in this hot plate plastic bag, and I think I ordered, here it is, Cheeon here. Oh wow, they sent lashes. I didn't order lashes. I have individuals on. It says MAC. I don't think this is authentic MAC, but they sent a little thank you gift, I guess. Here are the 4 bundles. What do we got? 22-inch, a 20-inch, 18, and a 16. And I got these 4 bundles for $99. Yeah, it wasn't expensive. $100 for the 4 bundles. And then the closure was separate. I don't remember the price of the closure. Maybe it was 20 or 22, something like that. But I really wanted to try out the Cheeon here. Let's see what Cheeon has to offer. As you can see, I'm tall, so I like to wear my hair kind of long. So we'll check out the quality and the length of Cheeon. The bundles are really packaged nicely. Let's see. You definitely need, well, I definitely need 4 bundles because I have a good size head, and 3 bundles of this would not work. It doesn't really stink. It smells like bleach, like hair dye. It's a pretty good amount of hair. I think it's pretty good. It's soft. I'm gonna condition it. I'm gonna soak wash it, shampoo it, and condition it, and soak it in the conditioning water for a little while and see what happens. But I'll let you guys know what happens once I have it installed and see if it actually sheds a lot or if it's just nice and bouncy. Now here, with it curled, it is about 20 inches. So let's stretch it and see if I got my 22 that I ordered, because this is supposed to be 22. Yeah, it is 22 inches. It's 22 inches long. It looks pretty good. We'll give it a try. It feels really soft. Doesn't really have that much body, but this is long, so I wouldn't expect it to be that full. You definitely need at least 3 or 4, maybe even 5 bundles if you're gonna go with 22 or 24 inches or longer. So I'll get back to you and let you know how the Cheeon here works after the install. All right? See you soon.